Friday, July 26th. Haven't done a video here in about 2 weeks, but called and left a message with the yellow Bombardier owner here and just reminded him that his Bombardier is ready for pickup. Just doing some cleanup around the yard here, cutting grass and moving stuff. We got the lawyer's letter out on that commercial fishing boat, so if anybody's interested in that, let us know. But otherwise, Dad's down the river and the dogs are playing. There's Filipino Emily. Charlie just went into the bush and Daisy's back there creating havoc. So about plus 25 here. We've had a stinking hot last 2 weeks, but it's cool enough in the morning that you could wear a light jacket if you wanted, but by mid-afternoon you're taking that jacket off, obviously. This is Dad's passion here. Loves his garden. We've already been taking groceries out of here already. So he's got the small garden here, and then he's got a big one behind the shop. But dogs are happy. Hey, Filipino Emily. And there's Daisy, Puckatawagan garbage dog. Where's Charles in charge? But this is some of the equipment Dad's working on in the yard here. It's a constant stream of airboats and boats, and then more airboats, and then more boats. And so I don't know what this one's in for right now, but he might already be done because I think it was in the shop yesterday. But could be just the guys are here to can only haul me so many boats back at a time. That one's ours. I don't know what Dad's going to do there. I think he's going to test the motor. He's got some work to be done on this one yet. He's got to work on the motor there, I know that much. And then I think we got 2 pieces of equipment into the shop, but everything's all locked up right now, so can't get in. Well, Saturday, July 27th, and Dad's got the country music on in the corner here. We got an airboat in shop. I don't know what this one's in for. Well, let's go find Dad and find out what's going on. Dad's got the whole radio set up. So this thing's probably 60 years old, but yeah. So he's got dual speakers going on here. Servicing a lawnmower. Kat is supervising.
Yeah, offer come out, he didn't think I was doing too much, so he brought me a lawnmower.
More work, okay, good.
And 2 outboards.
Oh, great. So this is what I haven't really done a video so much. I've done little snippets here and there. Last video you guys are going to see is the one that where Perky came back, and that was almost 2 weeks ago. So we got 2 outboards here Dad's going to work on. Sometimes these are more trouble than they're worth, but I know we're still working on this one here for ducks. I don't know what Dad's doing here. We got 2 airboats over here Dad's going to work on, and then we just saw the one in the shop. So this is what's keeping Dad busy right now. And if we haven't introduced our latest addition here, this is Nina. That's my mother's dog, but she's turning into the shop dog, shop boss dog. Hey Nina Pinta Santa Maria. And happy to see the cat though, because I didn't see him for 2 days. Hi kitty.
He's overhauling.
Yeah. As you noticed, I gave him a haircut.
Yeah.
He's happy with that, really happy. There's our Charles in charge. Hey Charles. And Daisy, Puckatawagan garbage dog, and Filipino Emily. It's like Daisy's sitting down to pee or something in the river. And then Filipino Emily just loving the swim and chasing the waves here. But that's what it's all about, being a dog.